Show us what to see with the tires.
Wow.
See that? Oh, yeah. All right. Well, guys, want to go and see us race on the driveway?
Yeah.
All right, we're about to go step out and see who's going to win this race. You guys, hold on. All right, guys, we're outside and we're riding in the car. Whoa, you seen that? Wow, that's cool. The car's going so fast it flipped over. Now Roman is showing us how it looks. He's going back and forth. Whoa, it flipped over again. Wow, that's cool. He's controlling it. He's showing us how to use it, how fast it goes, how it turns.